Okay, so when you get your website, it will come up on your My Sites dashboard in Wix like this. And if you want to edit your new website to customize it and make it your own, you will go to Site Actions right here. I don't know if you can see. And you will click the little down arrow and go to Edit Site. Now, this is a main menu that does a lot of different things, so take note of that. So when you go to Edit Site, it will take a minute to load. You will want to make sure you have good internet when you are editing your website. Okay, and so this is what it will look like. And basically, this editor, it's very simple, and I like to explain it that it works section by section. So as you can see, my mouse, as it's going over, it's kind of highlighting the different sections as I go down, and it is outlined in blue. As you can see, the top one right here, this is the header. This section is going to be on every page if you have multiple pages on your website. So now that I'm going section by section, we work outward and then we go inward. So this entire section right here, this header menu, if you wanted to change the background, that's going to be the outer. So you will have the entire section clicked if you wanted to change the color of this background. Now, once you have that section clicked, so make sure it's clicked there and you have it clicked, okay? You will go to this little button over here, all the way to the upper right, called Inspector, and you will click it, and you're gonna work with, there's 3 of them right here. There's the layout, there's the design, and there's the beta. You will wanna work with the design because that's what you are doing. You are gonna make this website your own, or you can leave the same colors, it's fine. But this is how you would change the color. And I have it set on a different opacity, which means that the color is a little bit faded. So if I went all the way to 100%, it would be stronger than, I think I have it at around 77% because I like the look of that. But you can do whatever color you want and whatever opacity you want. So if you don't want this header to show, you just click the inspector button again so you can see this, your entire new website. Now, if you want to change the text, you will have to highlight the text. Now see this right here, this is actually the menu. I'm going to fix that. You're not going to see that because it's already fixed when you get it. But you will want to make sure your title right here has the blue around it. And when you see that it says edit text, it means you have it clicked. Okay, so now that you have that clicked and you want to change it, you just go to edit text. Now this is how you change all of the text throughout the entire website. You just make sure it's clicked and then hit edit text. Now when you hit edit text, everything here comes up, which is pretty common sense and usual. You can change the type of the typography, you can change the size and all of that. The color right here, this one is the highlight color, so you'll want to do that one if you want to change the color of the text. You can also link your text right here to any website or any page. But yeah, you can do that on all of them. So all throughout this web page, if you want to change any of this text, that's how you would do it. Now, if you want to change one of these pictures within here, you just click the picture and go to change image. I'm going to show you what comes up when you change the image, because this is where you can upload pictures. Right here, you just go to upload media. I love the pictures from Wix, the stock images. They have a lot. So down here, media from Wix, you can click that and type in whatever it is you're looking for, and lots of pictures will come up, like beautiful professional pictures. You can also buy pictures off Shutterstock for a few dollars if you want even more professional and larger library. You can find just about anything on a Shutterstock, and it's pretty amazing. But yeah, this is where you will upload your media, and if you wanted to change the background or change one of the pictures, you just click one of these and it goes to the site. It either goes directly in this little box, or if you wanted to change the background picture, you want to make sure that the whole background's selected, and then go over here to your inspector, and you can change the media down here in the bottom right corner down here. Just click change media, and you can change this whole background picture if you want to. Okay, and then gallery, if you want to change the pictures in your gallery, you just click your gallery and go to change media. And I'll show you the window that pops up when you do this. Okay, and you hit these 3 little dots here on all the pictures to change out the pictures. And when you click replace image right here, that same menu that we just had with all the pictures will pop up with all your media. Okay, and then if you want to change these images, just click the image. Make sure it's clicked and not, because sometimes this entire section will click, not the image. Just click change image down here, and it's the same thing. You can change this text same way by making sure it's clicked and then going to edit text. You can take these out and put in different logos for different people. You will want to use a vector logo, a logo that doesn't have a background, would probably look the best. And you can just delete these. These are actually just text. You can delete them and then go to the little plus button. And I like to do the quick add. It puts in like a generic picture, but you can just change the image to this picture and change it to the logo and then put it there. Okay, and you can go click the contact form and go to form settings if you want to change any of that. These pictures right here go to the blog part of the website, and so if you go up here to the upper left hand corner and go to pages, you can click blog and set up your blog and write a blog on each shoot that you do and include pictures, and then it'll link up. It already is linked to the blog, so you don't really need to do much. You just need to create a blog and change these texts to the titles of your blog. And then let's get rid of this. Click that again. Okay. You can subscribe to our mailing list form right here in form settings to make sure that it's all set up correctly. Now this is your Instagram right here. To change the Instagram to your Instagram, just click it and then go to settings, and you can set up your Instagram. Watch, I'll click it right now. And there you go. Connect business account or connect personal account. And then scroll down and you can change all this text the same way. Your social media, make sure the little box is highlighted instead of this bigger box down here. But you can set your social links, super easy. You can change all this. And the Book Now button is not connected to a page, although you do have a booking page on this template, but a lot of times people use different booking software, and so you can just link this to your booking software, and you do that by clicking it and see this little link button right here. You click that and you can link it to whatever web page you want, or page, or anything. So now let's look at the menu. If you want to check out your menu, this little hamburger menu right here, you want to make sure it's individually clicked, and you can go to open menu. This is all done the same way. To manage your, you can change the colors and everything. Each one that you click, you just go over here to inspector, and you can make changes on it, or change the text on this. And to manage your menu, you'll go to manage menu, and this is where all your menu items are. You can hit these 3 little buttons if you want to remove stuff from the menu and change things around, change the link, etc. This is where you have my bookings. You can change the link to your booking page, or we do have a book online that I'm going to leave on there, but you can remove this depending on what booking that you choose, what booking option. But book online is actually the Wix option of booking. So yeah, that's how you navigate your menu, and you have another hamburger menu down at the bottom that's already connected, and there's another book online button up here in the upper right hand corner. Click that individually, and you can also link that up to either your booking page for Wix or your other booking URL for your other booking site. But yeah, that is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions on anything, please feel free to email me and I will get back to you. But good luck on your business.